Hello over there at Landscape Design Company. This is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO and we are a digital marketing agency. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. I was told Gio would be the correct person to watch this, so Gio, I hope you're watching. I was doing some research in your area and your services and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I'm sure you're super busy. I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. If you're working with an SEO agency already, or even a web design platform, this can help you. This can benefit you. Just add these protocols to your website and it should be just fine. It is time consuming. You do got to follow additional protocol. However, this video will show you just that. And also we'll compare what you have going in the background of your website to one of your competitors. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over once again is content, backlinks, and citations. This is your website here. This is a very good website. I like the dynamic background, of course. You do have some content. At the bottom, I noticed you have images that are broken, not working. You could change this in the HTML coding behind your website, or just get with your web designer to do this. Overall, it's a good website. The navigation is fairly simple. All the links seem to be working just fine. The first thing, let's talk about content. That's basically anything that you can see on the front page of your website. That's including images. Image optimization is an important aspect of your website to rank. Basically, saving your images as a keyword with relevant background description. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, though, I suggest you start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. Just keep in mind, Google needs to see the keywords on your page, and these keywords must be visible to your users. The easy approach is to either create a content around your keyword or naturally wave your keywords into the page. Any attempt to go bonkers with your keywords will look horrible and may set off spam filters in your search engines. Use your keywords naturally throughout the content. Repeat your keywords once or twice is more than enough. So just keep that in mind. Follow these protocols so you won't have your website being flagged as spam. Let's jump into Ahrefs here. This is a tool here we use. It's a great tool to monitor what's going on behind the scenes. You can go to Ahrefs if you don't mind paying for it. This is a great tool. Organic keywords on your website looks like you have 306. Referring domains 82, backlinks 980. The second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks. When you think of backlinks, or should I say, when you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. So you got to be careful on that. Backlinks would fall under the URL level here, which you have 21. 980 backlinks. This is good. You want to keep the DR and the UR at a 1:1 ratio. This is a good technique to beat out your competition and to say, hey, Google, look at me, in other words. Referring domains, 82. This falls under citations. So a citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those platforms. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue, let's say, for people to reach them for their services. That is what a citation is, and that would fall under your DR meter here. So again, keeping these two at a 1:1 ratio is goal or ideal. You might want to attempt for that. So you have 82 referring domains. You might want to add up on these two. also get good backlinks. It's not a matter of how many backlinks, you got to get those relevant backlinks with higher authority in addition to the referring domains. Organically, look like per month you're getting 51 people jumping onto your website, but again, it's all based on the keywords. If the keywords are not buyer intent, you're going to have someone across the country looking at your services after they do their searching inside of Google, and that's kind of try to avoid, you know. So how I found you was through Landscape, Anaheim, California. That's the keyword that it's being processed through users, you know, periodically, or it does have a high level of search on just that specific keyword. So if you add that keyword to your content, that's ideal. Also with the backlinks and referring domains. Finally, as you can well imagine, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citation, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, you know, calls and leads, and who wouldn't want that, right? This is one of your competitors here, Landscape Through Services in your area. This is their website here. I won't jump into much detail on here. However, on their background, you see they have 772 referring domains, 4.7 DR, the backlinks over 1,000, UR9 level. So they're not really doing much here. They do have a lot of this here, backlinks and referring domains, but it's not giving them any boost. So they're probably not getting the good websites, if you will, with high authority. Organic keywords, over 1,000. Organically, they're getting 824 people jumping onto their website in a monthly basis. They are going up. Looks like to me, it looks like they do have a SEO agency, but could use some help here. Hopefully this has been informative, Gio, and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Take care, Gio. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.